Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're tackling a common frustration for Node.js developers, the getaddrinfo ENOTFOUND error. It can be confusing. This error usually means your Node.js application is trying to reach a server or domain name it can't find. Let's dive into how to fix it. First, understand what getaddrinfo means. It's a function that translates domain names, like google.com, into IP addresses. ENOTFOUND signals that the translation failed. The most common culprit is a typo in the URL. Double-check the address you're using. Even a small mistake will cause the error. Next, examine your internet connection. Are you connected to the internet? A dropped Wi-Fi signal can prevent your computer from resolving domain names. Try opening a website in your browser. If that fails, troubleshoot your internet connection. Another possibility is DNS issues. Your computer uses DNS servers to translate domain names. Sometimes, these servers might be temporarily unavailable or have incorrect information. Try flushing your DNS cache. On Windows, open the command prompt and run IP protocol configuration/flushtens. On macOS, open terminal and run sudo tskshutl flushcache, sudo kill all hupm DNS responder. For Linux, the command can vary depending on your distribution. Search online for the correct command for your system. If flushing the cache doesn't work, consider changing your DNS servers. You can switch to public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. This often resolves DNS-related problems. Sometimes, firewalls can block Node.js from accessing external resources. Check your firewall settings. Ensure that Node.js or your specific application isn't being blocked. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with DNS resolution. If the problem disappears when the VPN is off, investigate your VPN settings or consider using a different VPN server. When working within a local network, ensure you're using the correct internal domain names or IP addresses to reach the target server. Also, confirm that the target server is running and accessible. The target server might be temporarily down. Finally, if you're using environment variables to store URLs or other configuration details, verify that these variables are correctly set and available to your Node.js application. An empty or incorrect environment variable can lead to the ENOTFOUND error. Review your code. Ensure you are handling errors properly when making network requests. Use try/catch blocks to catch potential exceptions. This will help prevent your application from crashing. It also helps you diagnose what went wrong and inform the user about the issue. Remember to thoroughly test your code after making any changes. This will ensure you have effectively addressed the error. So, that covers most scenarios regarding getaddrinfo ENOTFOUND error. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Every bit of support helps us create more content. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow developers.